I already cleaned up some areas down. I'm cleaning up around my fields. I'm gonna clean up our trails for our side-by-side and four-wheeler, but it's needed done for a long time. All around my yard where the equipment's parked and stuff is just a disaster. It's been like this too long. As you can see, weeds everywhere. All my equipment's in weeds. That's why I had that building put up. The building was right here. It's all weeds now, just weeds everywhere. So, mowing some of them down, coming into fall hunting season and everything. I'm mowing around the field. I also want to mow the field, the edge of the woods at the field, and push it all back, because it always keeps coming out into the field, so it all needs pushed back up along the road. Just makes it look nice. Awesome. Here's that like 3-point top link that lets it ride, kind of like a 3-point hitch set up on the quick attach plate. It's a low flow. My machine's low flow, so it's a low flow unit, so it probably won't. If you watch my other video, they cut an 8-inch diameter tree with this thing. It was pretty impressive, but yeah, I hate leaving this thing sit out, but I don't have a building to put it under anymore, so hopefully soon. Buy all this nice equipment. This thing was like $8,000 some dollars. You buy all this equipment, it's nice, and then like I already got a little bit of surface rust here. Sucks. All right, let's do it. Again, I got my 2021 Bobcat T595. It's a smaller machine. It'll lift a ton, just over a ton. I think it's 2,200 pounds. Nice though, with the cab, enclosed cab, air and heat. I got the quick attach. This is the low flow heavy-duty brush cutter. I got a couple add-ons on it. I got the push bar on the front. I got an extra set of blades. It's got the top link, which is great, that allows it to contour the ground, as I said before. And then it's got the big, instead of chains on the back, it's got this big 6-inch roller. It's heavy duty. It keeps debris from coming back at you like the chains, but it also rolls on the ground, allowing you to keep the brush cutter on the ground and contour the ground better than a lot of those other models that are real rigid. I'm just cleaning up around my my field. You know, the tree line always creeps out into your field. You gotta keep it cut back. The bat wings are real good for that, because you don't have to drive your tractor up under all the, you know, you don't want all those tree limbs bashing your cab or whatever, if you don't have a cab, and then you have to back a brush hog into the tree line the whole way. This, it's real easy to maneuver, you know, turn into the tree line. So just clearing it all back. I've probably gained another 10 yards up here for sure. And then down there, probably about, you know, 5 yards of wood line back. Now, I just want to clean up along the road. When you drive by, just all the weeds don't look nice. So I'm going to try to cut this down for the winter. So we'll see. I cleared it all out with my mini excavator in the spring, got all the stumps and rocks out of the way, so we shouldn't have anything other than groundhog holes. So that cleaned up pretty nice. I left this one patch right here. There's a concrete culvert there, so I'll have to get that with the weed whacker. And then down there is a spot where the bank's just almost, it's pretty steep, so I just can't really tilt it up that steep. But I could go at it from the road and mow it down some, but I'm not going to mess with it. If anything, we'll take a weed whacker to it. But that cleaned up real nice along the edge of the road. Just looks a lot nicer than the grown-up weeds. And maybe we can reclaim some of this, extend the field over a little bit more or something. All right, corn's starting to die down over there. I know the book.